back to my channel. And this is today's look. It was inspired by Ronke Raji. I'm going to put her social media account down below, but yeah, it was inspired by Ronke. I just saw the Instagram like post and I loved it. Like, I don't know why, but I just loved it. I was like, we gotta create that. So yeah, I didn't do like exactly like she did. It was just inspired by her. You guys should just stay tuned, and then if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is the final look. Oh, and I got this hair from if you like this hair and you want to get it too, I got it from, I think, Webster Wigs. I'll put the link down below so you can check them out as well. And it's synthetic, it's not human hair, so just in case if you're like and you think it's not, it's synthetic. So but like the price is good, and yeah, you should check it out as well. Yeah, I forgot to say it. There's a rumor that YouTube will remove people. I don't know if it's true. That's why I say it's a rumor. But it's been said that YouTube is removing people that they don't have like enough subscribers. So that's why I keep saying, like, guys, please, it's not, if you can be here, why can't you just subscribe? Like, if you're here already, please just subscribe, please. Thank you. I wanted to I wanted to share what happened on my birthday, because this year I turned 21. Oh my god, it shrunk, but then yeah, the balloon is still here. I turned 21. That's a big number. Like, I know it's like, I hate the number, but because like it's making me feel like really old. Like, I'm sorry that I didn't take what happened on my birthday. I really wanted to like do a vlog of what happened on my birthday, but then I forgot the camera. Like, when we got on the train, that was when I remembered that, oh my god, I did not take the camera, and I was like, nah, it's long, I can't go back. So I just left it. It's kind of a big deal. Like, it hasn't sunk in yet. Like, it's not thinking that, oh my god, like, it's 21, it's a big number. It's just another day. Like, it wasn't a big deal. Like, but I guess it will make sense like maybe weeks from today. But for now, I'm not really feeling anything right now. So yeah, that's it. And if you didn't wish me happy birthday, I'm mad at you. Yeah, you. Okay guys, I'll see you next time, and I hope that you do enjoy this look, and bye.